Jog it on the spot. Butt kicks. Knees of the skip. Jumping jacks. Cross jacks. And cross country. And shake it out. Okay, let's have your toe touch. Push your bum back, push your chest forward.
Rest.
Keeping that straight line from your crown of your head to your tailbone. And then standing up, crown of your head to the ceiling, kick, kick. Try not to bob your head forward, so if you are, maybe instead of touching your toe, touch your knee. Step back lunge, hip flexors, so we push our hips forward, suck our ribs in, reach your hand up, alternate sides. Same lunge, rotate outside, inside now. So you're keeping that 40-40-20 on that front foot, rotate as much as you can, keeping your hips square, rotating those shoulders as much as you can. Okay, knee hugs, grab the knee, pull it to your chest, alternate sides. Stand tall each time. You can bend over and grab that knee, but then we want to stand tall. Try to get that crown of your head to the ceiling. Okay, quad stretch. Grab your foot, knees together, butt cheeks together, stand tall, alternate sides. Okay, love yourself, hug yourself. Rotate side to side. And fingers up, push your hands out. Little circles as tiny as you can. Forwards and then backwards. And fingers down, forwards and backwards. Shake that out. Heart circles. Clasp your hands together, pull those hands apart, shoulders down, big circles with those hands. And then backwards, as big as you can. Keep those shoulders down and flip those hands forwards, keeping those hands apart. Feel it on the whole backside of that shoulder girdle. I always have a hard time saying that. I always have to repeat myself. And backwards. And shake it out. Okay, find a pillar, or I'm going to use the airdyne, kicking forward and back, making sure that those ribs aren't flaring, the back isn't arching. You're just swinging that foot forward and back. And then turn the other way, kick the other foot. And then face that pillar or object and go side to side. Open and close that hip. Keeping your shoulders as square as you can, rotating those hips as much as you can. Toes should be facing up to the ceiling both sides. And switch up foot, do the other side. Good, let's come back to your mat area. Doing squats, deadlifts, good mornings. I'm gonna start calling these squat stands. It's a little bit easier to say. So squat down, bring your hands down to your feet. Keep your back straight. Try to look about 3 to 5 feet in front of you. Get your bum as low as you can. Keep your hands down. Bring your bum up. Stand up. Come down that, bring your bum up and gets those hamstrings standing up, getting that core to hinge at your hips. One more time. Bum up, head up. Okay, we're gonna do the twist now. So come down. Level 1 is right hand on right knee, left hand on right shin. Pull underneath, push your right shoulder over top. That's level 1. Level 2 is bring your hand to your lower back, open up that shoulder a little bit more. Level 3 is reaching that hand up. Exhale each time. Then you go to levels, and then come back down. Let's do the other side. Level 1, pull that right shoulder underneath, push that left shoulder over top. Bring your left hand to your lower back. Exhale, rotate a little bit more. Keep that bum in the middle. And reach that hand up. Get your hands off to the side. Keep it on your lower back. Stay on level 2. And just focus on that exhale. Come back to center. Standing up. Come to your mat, all fours. Breathing in through your nose, up through your mouth. For almost all of these exercises, we want a nice controlled breath the whole time. So breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Inhale, look up, arch your back, fill your belly. Exhale, chin to your chest, look to your knees, round your back and push that air out. Inhale, arch and fill the belly. Exhale, round your back and push that air out. One more inhale. One more exhale. Come back to neutral position. Spread your knees out a little bit. Bring your right hand to your head. Elbow to elbow, rounding that back from left to right shoulder, and then opening up. Open up each time. Inhale through that, into that belly. Exhale out of that belly. That way your thoracic spine can rotate that much more. Good job. Let's go to the other side. Left hand. Rotate as much as you can. You may find that one side's tighter than the other. We still want to spend as much time on each side. Your body wants to be in symmetry. So with consistency, we'll get you there. Okay, come back to neutral. Keeping your hips and shoulders square. Reach your right hand, left foot. Bird dog. Inhale out. Exhale together. Good work. Other side. Left hand, right foot. Hand, shoulder, hip, and foot all the same height when you reach out. The last two exercises, we are arching and rounding. We are rotating. This one, we're keeping it as neutral as we can while we move the shoulder and hip. Okay, come to a lunge position. Right foot forward. Try to keep that 40-40-20 on that front foot. Reach your left foot back as much as you can. Drive that right knee over the second and third toe. Keep your hands forward. Straighten out that right leg. Going back and forward. Back and forward. Stay forward. Left hand on the floor. Right hand on your knee. Look over your right shoulder. Exhale and get a straight line from that bottom hand to the top. If you are having problems with getting your hand up, take your left hand out wider. Reach that hand up to the ceiling. Get it right over top of that left hand. Exhale one more time. Now bring that right hand down. Left hand on your lower back. Look over your left shoulder. Exhale and reach that hand up. If you're having a hard time with this one, keep your hand on your lower back and just focus on the rotation. Focus on your exhale. Every time you exhale, rotate a little bit more. And let's come to the other side. Left foot forward. Getting the 40-40-20 on that left foot. Driving that left knee forward. Once you have the 40-40-20 and you drive that left knee as far forward as you can, reach your right foot back. Right knee back. Now keep your hands forward, straighten out that leg. Going forward and back in this position. Stay forward. Right hand on the floor, left hand on your knee, look over your left shoulder, exhale and reach that hand up. Is your bottom foot staying 40-40-20? That inside edge seems to come out. Try to push that foot back into the floor. Lunge forward, exhale one more time, and bring the hand down. Right hand on your lower back. Look over your right shoulder. Exhale and reach that right hand up. Again, if it's out here, keep it to your lower back. If you're halfway there, really try to open up that shoulder. Really try to reach that hand up. 3, 2, 1, and come to your mat with your chest on the floor. Keep your shoulders square. Scorpions here. Rotate open with your hip. And go back and forth on each side. Reaching that knee back. Come back to center. Hands under your shoulders. Feet together, legs together, butt cheeks together. Cobra. Reach that chest up, arch your back, fill your belly with air. And exhale, bring your bum back, chest to your quads, bum to your heels. Reach your hands up forward. On your next inhale, come forward, fill the belly, arch your back. Exhale, bring your bum back, chest to your quads, hands forward. Let's do that one more time. Forward and back. And then you can grab a drink of water and we'll start the 4 in 1 minute.